How to enable autosave to gallery in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable autosave. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this content option. Simply tap on content. Now here on the top, you'll be able to see settings. Simply tap on settings. Now here in the settings interface, here on the first option, you can see autosave to gallery. So make sure that it is turned on. Now every photos that you edit and export will automatically be saved in your gallery. So it is a very useful feature. Sometimes it might not get saved, so you must always check it is auto saved into your gallery. So if you go back, it's all set and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.